That was dandy. That was dandy. This is the other. It's a nice one. Nice palm swell, Tom. That's a dandy. Now we'll swing this. This is a 28C. This is mine, one that I put together. Just a little 3.5 pound jersey on a 28C. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, Johnny, you'd love that, buddy. Pitch right in the center. Right in the center. That's nice wood. That's going right in the woodshed this morning. That's where we're going. I'm late. I am late. Things have been taking just a little bit longer today for some reason. There's some great kindling. Great kindling. Another one of them jerseys. That one don't stick. Not very good, but that's all right. It splits. See how that works in this like tight quarters, right? Short, nimble. See that one almost split right there. See that crack right here? Flick it. Eight pin full house fresh grind. Pretty aggressive. Would work really great falling with the 7-pin. There it is. Nice little tamarack. We'll come back in a few days, and hopefully the rest of this wood is still here. We will see you down at the house. That's where we're headed. We're headed to the house. I know these videos are all over the place, but I'm showing quite a bit of stuff. That 395, the update stuff on the 500i. We'll just keep playing with them. That's all we can do. Just keep running them and see if we can get it worked out. Little quirks here and there. Yeah. So anyway, I hope you're all enjoying the videos and the content. Please get in the comments. Please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if you like it, if you would, please. I don't know as though enough people know about the thumbs up button and the subscribe. I think they're just maybe watching YouTube and don't know about what the thumbs up do. So if you are watching somebody's channel that you like and that you follow, be sure to hit that thumbs up for them, please. All right. Love y'all. We'll see you down the mountain.